Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to fix the error. Preview link is not showing in WhatsApp app. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also put your likes under this video and be sure to write comments after watching. And let's get down to the topic, friends. And I'm going to show you step by step. So, if you have a situation where you're dropping a link or you get a link, let's say, and there's no preview and you don't realize what the link is, you can fix this situation very easily. First of all, open the WhatsApp app, go to Settings on the bottom right, and then in Settings, select Privacy. Then in Privacy, scroll to the very bottom and select the option Advanced. And here you will be interested in only one option, this one, which is called Link Preview. And if you have this option enabled, you just need to disable it. This will help to fix your error, after which the link preview will be displayed by WhatsApp. Friends, here is such a very simple and easy method you can quickly fix the error when link preview is not displayed in WhatsApp app. Really hope you found this video useful and helpful, friends. Please don't forget to put your likes and also subscribe to our channel. Take care, friends.